Engineering can be defined as the art or science of making practical application of the knowledge of pure sciences, as physics or chemistry, as in the construction of engines, bridges, buildings, mines, ships, and chemical plants. But to put it in plain language, it's the application of science to help people.
We are environmental engineers.
What is environmental engineering, you may ask? Well, it is a job where you create mechanical devices that reduce pollution and help save the earth. There are three sections that environmental engineering can work in: air, water, and land. Some don't work in these sections, but work at companies and help make their products more environmentally friendly. The skills needed are problem solving, imagination, science, and mathematics. If environmental engineering doesn't sound like something you want to do, that's okay. But if it sounds like something you want to do, try to pursue it. I promise the environment will be thankful.
The lowest major that you can get to actually have a good job in environmental engineering is a bachelor's degree.
This is a graph of an environmental engineer's annual salary. In this picture is an environmental engineer testing water. If you are wondering if environmental engineering is something for you, ask yourself these three questions. Are you a problem solver? Do you work well with others? And do you like working outside? What were your results?
Architectural engineering is a good career field to pursue because it is expected to grow 17% in the next 8 to 10 years. Many of the jobs will be designing and building healthcare facilities. This will open many new jobs for people moving into this career field. The median salary range of an architectural engineer is $44,000 to $118,000.
Needed to be good at a profession in architectural engineering are the desire to figure things out, applied creativity, mathematical skills, listening and problem-solving skills, and interpersonal and leadership skills.
Okay, so if you have a fascination with space or air travel, then aerospace engineering may be the career for you. The median salary for aerospace engineers is $103,720 a year. As means for comparison, the median yearly salary for Americans as a whole is $50,500. If you couldn't tell, that's a pretty significant difference. There are two types of aerospace engineers. The first is aeronautical, which deals with planes and the like. The second is astronautical, which deals with spacecraft. A few examples of some aircraft that, of course, were developed by aerospace engineers are the F-22 Raptor, which is one of the most capable fighting machines in the world. Right now it is proving itself, fighting in the Middle East. Next is the V-22 Osprey, which was launched in the 1980s. It makes use of two rotors so that if one engine fails, the second can take over the driving of both props. The last is the Concorde. Though it was retired over a decade ago, this ugly beast can travel at 1,300 miles per hour. So if you're a competitive, critical thinker, please consider aerospace engineering.